What's up guys, this is Erik from Maxlider Brothers Customs, and guess what? We've built another high-end custom vintage Ford Bronco, and it's sitting right behind me, and I want to tell you what it's all about. First of all, it's one of the coolest colors we've ever done. It's a brand new 2023 Bronco color called Azure Gray. It's kind of like the Area 51 that the new Broncos are known for, but this time they've put this beautiful metal flake in it, and it kind of has me mesmerized. Pretty. Now this one is one of our complete 110% totally redone Ford Broncos, and no stone has been left unturned. That becomes really obvious when you get underneath it and you see just how clean and sanitary it is. Check out the frame, all freshly powder coated with a brand new premium level 3.5-inch lift kit from our friends at James Duff, including the T-Rex arms, providing extra stability when you steer and heavy duty heim joint steering in the front. Now that premium lift kit allows us to accomplish what people know as the Maxlider look, and we've distilled that down to a specific stance that we like our custom Broncos to have. You got to have 33-inch BFG tires, and you got to have 15 by 10-inch wide brand new wheels. Now if you know me, you know it's all about the leather, man. Well, this one has some of the most fantastic custom leather, diamond stitched interior inside of it with matching panels and a matching dash cover. And it's got this beautiful, almost Western color, distressed leather. I love everything about it, and we know George is gonna love his new Bronco as well. Now, if you've got little ones that are gonna enjoy the Bronco experience right along with you, you're gonna feel confident and safe in the back seat because you've got a full family style cage back here with shoulder mount seat belts, front and rear, along with stereo speakers all the way around. 4 flush mount kickers provide the tunes, and feeling that breeze run through your hair on a hot summer day, there's nothing like it. Security is important these days, and we put a locking center console right here in between the front bucket seats so that you can put your belongings inside and feel safe. You got a couple cup holders and a spot for a single DIN Bluetooth Kenwood stereo that allows you to run the tunes and keeps it protected from people who, you know, are casing the joint. Now, one of our most popular features is actually the gauge cluster. We partnered with our friends at Classic Instruments to design a cluster that was driven electronically so that you can get rid of all that analog stuff that doesn't really work and replace it with something that looks great, has fantastic lighting, a pair of really bright indicators, and it's accurate. Now everyone wants to know what's under the hood of this bad boy, and I'm going to show you. This is one of our freshly redone Roller 302 V8 engines. It looks unbelievable, and it packs quite a little punch when you don't want to go the full Coyote route. It's mated to a 3-speed C4 transmission, so you can run down the road 70 miles an hour with no problem. Now with a higher performance engine, you got to have a lot of stopping power, and we upgraded this one to front disc brakes powered by a Willwood master cylinder and brand new drum brakes in the rear. George is going to be safe, and so is his family. Now this 1971 Ford Bronco is actually one of our base level builds with high-end custom leather interior and a couple other bells and whistles. We've got several different tiers depending on the type of customer you are and the way you want your Bronco to run and drive. We've got the base level, we've got premium, platinum, and then for the people that want to go out and try to win SEMA, we got the competition level. We can build the type of Bronco that best fits you and your family and your budget. So give us a call. We'd love to walk through a build with you and figure out how we can make your Bronco dreams come true. In the meantime, we're gonna get this one buttoned up so we can send it to Las Vegas to our customer, George. George, you've been awesome. Enjoy your Bronco. We appreciate the business. God bless, and have a ton of fun. I'm out of here.